So I just got this Rosetta Star projector. So I just want to do a quick unboxing and go ahead and test this out to see how well this really works. So just taking it out of the box, right on top we'll read it with a Contact Us card. And then right below that, we're gonna have a user guide. This projector is definitely neatly packed in here. It's got this foam piece protecting it. And then right under here, we're gonna have a few things on the side. So first things first, we're gonna have a USB-C charging cable. And on the right side, we're gonna have the remote control. And this is actually pretty thick of a remote control. I'm usually used to those really thin controls with like thin buttons, but it definitely seems that these buttons are pretty thick. So this definitely does feel quality just by the looks of it. And then right below that, we're gonna have the projector itself, and there's nothing at the bottom of the box, just another foam piece. So this just comes right off, and there it is. Yeah, this thing's really cool. It's got 4 legs over here. Kind of reminds me like of a turtle. It's kind of turtle shaped with this back over here. Now taking a look at the bottom, we are gonna have rubber feet on all 4 of these feet just to prevent it from sliding, so it's gonna stay nice and secure in place when we set it down. And then right here, that's where the speaker is gonna be. We have some safety stickers here. And on this side, there's gonna be nothing on this side. And this is the front. This is where all the importance buttons are gonna be. We're gonna have an infrared sensor and then 4 different buttons. And on the other side, this is where we're gonna go ahead and charge it up for the USB-C. And then now taking a look at the top, this is where the projector is gonna basically go ahead and come from. And there is gonna be a plastic bit here just protecting it, so I can go ahead and take that right off. It's nice and shiny. And then right over here, we also do have something else. This says laser aperture. So now going back to the remote control, we can go ahead and just take this plastic bit off at the bottom. So now going back to the projector, I just went ahead and plugged in the other end of the USB cable. And now I can plug in the USB-C over here to give it power. And now I turn it on, just press the
Bluetooth mode.
Oh, it just turns on automatically. And so it begins to shine, and wow. Yeah, this looks really nice. So I went ahead and turned on the projector on my ceiling, and it looks really nice. So I just want to go over all the different settings over here that it has, because there's a lot to go through. So for starters, right now, both the streaks and the stars are going to be on, but we can control each of them individually with these 2 buttons. So this one controls the streaks. So if I go ahead and press it, the streaks turn off. And if I press it again, the streaks turn on. And as you can see right here, this is where the streaks come from. And now this button here controls the stars. So when I press it, it shuts off, and when I press it again, it turns back on. And as you can see right here, this is where the stars are controlled from. But there's a lot more we can do. We can actually go ahead and change which color the streak is made up of. So right now it's currently made up of red, green, and blue. And we can also add some white, but then it's gonna go ahead and take away a color because we can only have 3 colors at the same time. So when I press white, the last color, or the first color is gonna be taken, which was red. So now there's only green, blue, and white. And now if I press white, white is removed and only blue and green stand. And I press green, and now it's only gonna be blue. But I'll go ahead and just turn blue, green, and white back on. Now going down over here, this is where the brightness can be changed. So right now, yep, it's at its brightest setting, and we can go ahead and dim it. And right here is the dimmest setting. So this is the dimmest, here's the second, the third, and the fourth. So there's gonna be 4 different brightness modes. And we're also gonna go ahead and have a mode button, and there's gonna be 3 different modes that on. So when I press it, first one's gonna go ahead and fade between combos by phasing 1 color. So here you could see it's blue and green, and then you could see green goes ahead and takes over, and now it's fully green, and now red comes in, and the cycle kind of continues there. And now if I press it again, it's gonna quickly fade to back between each combo. So right here it's blue and green, and it fades out, and now it's gonna be green and white, I think. And then it's gonna fade out, and then here is white, blue, and red, and then it'll go ahead and fade out, and then it just continues there. And now if I press it again, it's gonna rapidly cycle through colors. So here's red, then here's the green and blue, then green, then 3 of them, then just 1, and it's gonna quickly go ahead and do that, and you can see there's no fade in or fade out transition. So personally, my favorite one would probably have to be either the fade between combos, so either this one or the second one. But I'll leave it here for now. We're also gonna go ahead and be able to control the speed of this. So right now it's going to be at the fastest setting, and then right here I slowed it down a bit, and then I slowed it down again, and then I slowed it down again, and now you can see it's really slow, and then when I press it one more time, it completely freezes. We're also going to have a timer button for 1 and 2 hours, so when I press the timer for 1 hour, the projector is actually going to make a noise. So right here, that's the one for 1 hour, and then when I press 2 hours, it makes a different noise. We can also switch between music and Bluetooth, so if I press this button,
music mode.
It puts music mode, and it's automatically going to start playing the music that the projector comes with. So there's going to be a bunch of different music, so right now, this is going to be soft music. And if I press any of these buttons here, it's going to cycle through the different ones, or I could just pause the music with this button. But let me keep playing and just cycle through the different music. So soft music, morning sounds, sea, forest, rain, lullaby, stream, and bonfire. But of course, one of the best parts would be when I press it again,
Bluetooth mode.
and it puts me in Bluetooth mode, so I can just go ahead and connect to Bluetooth and then play whatever music I want to play through my phone. And we're also going to have voice control switch, so when I press it, the lights will flash fast following external sound or just musical rhythm. So here you can see I tapped it hard, and then it turned on. Or if I had loud music playing, or if I was talking even louder, this would go on, but I need to really be close to it. I'll just go ahead and turn it on normally now. So overall, I'm really impressed with the Rosetta Star projector. The lights look really nice. They're very common to go ahead and look at, especially the fact that it also goes ahead and plays music, and it even has its built-in sound effects and music right in here. So again, it's really soothing, it's really calming. It's probably really cool to go ahead and sleep with, and definitely would make for a great gift for somebody. But yeah, if you're looking for a mini projector, if you're looking for, a speaker as well too, definitely check this one out.